Hi there. Thank you for giving me a few minutes to talk to you today about the essentials of a modern CMS, and more specifically, what is content management in our day and age? My name is JD Little. I am the content management strategist for Progress Sitefinity. I have been part of this content management industry for about as long as it has been in existence, and I hope I have some valuable insights for you today. When we talk about content management, we really want to talk about what your content can do for you and should be able to do for you as you run your business. But business is unpredictable. The last year has shown us that in ways that we never could have imagined. And now more than ever, it's critical to be able to engage your customers and your partners and really everyone through those digital channels that we can provide. Requirements are growing. Development needs are growing. Development teams need to be flexible. They need to be able to work cross-platform. They need to be able to develop in any framework that they require, be it .NET or Angular or React or whatever else might be coming down the pike. Rising customer expectations. Each digital experience raises the bar and the expectations for what the next digital experience will be, and data bears this out. Also, um, a requirement right now is that there's a risk for downtime, a risk of downtime. And that's not just in terms of our own productivity, but in terms of opportunity. If you're not there the first time a customer needs you, they probably will not come looking for you again. And your content experience demands attention, much like this child here. Um, we need to be looking at this now. We need to understand that search capabilities are becoming um, more sophisticated and more streamlined. Um, Customers are expecting instant gratification, and we need to be able to serve that with preemptive communication that tells the customer what they are looking for or what they need before they even ask for it. Of course, all of these capabilities have been accelerated by the current pandemic. These were changes that were coming anyway. We've just accelerated that a bit. And so content management and content managers really need to be able to pivot and adapt to these changes. And the demands of a modern CMS are just a few here. They need to be, any modern CMS needs to be decoupled. We'll talk about that more. Personalized, able to give the content and have it when it's needed to the person who, when and where it's needed, and really having a 360-degree view of the customer. We need to be able to integrate with apps and domains that are often out of our control. And so when we talk about a modern CMS, we talk about it being headless, and you hear that term quite a bit. What that really means is that we're able to integrate, typically with an API layer, some sort of programming interface. We need to be able to build for integration so that we can utilize any channel or any back-end system that we need to run our business. And we need to be cloud enabled, just in the terms of being able to access all the capabilities that cloud deployment offers us. And so when we talk about headless, we also talk about decoupling the front end, separating content from presentation. And you look around the circle of the content here, these are all the different touch points that customers require. Websites, of course, mobile, wearable, all the IoT devices that we really rely on in a day-to-day basis. But we often forget that the website really is the way that we, in the main way that we communicate with our customers. And if you look around this circle, things like the mobile apps and the wearables and even the augmented reality and virtual reality channels drive us back to our website. And so we want to make sure that we have those tools that marketers and business people need, so that we can be flexible and we can be integrated. But more than that, that we put the customer at the center of all this and offer a seamless experience for our customers. When we talk about the cloud, it's really about being able to spin up quickly and being able to minimize our reliance on our IT staff. Um, Also empowering marketers so that all of these team members are able to get what they need in a very streamlined and quick way. Our experiences are built with content. Traditionally, that has been text and images in a traditional website. But it quickly expanded, didn't it, to audio and video. And looking to the future, virtual reality and augmented reality and mixed reality are these content experiences that we're going to be expected to leverage and utilize. Sitefinity CMS, Progress Sitefinity, is that modern tool that allows us to serve all of these capabilities. The ability to manage multi-site and multilingual content all in one place. With those tools that marketers and business people need, offering that headless capability through our decoupled platform with an API layer that really allows all that connectivity that we talked about. Also allowing through governance and workflows, the ability for team members to work together seamlessly and efficiently. And managing multilingual and multi-site experiences from one interface. At the same time, we need to make sure that we serve our business users and our marketers with drag and drop functionality, simple, intuitive ways to start campaigns and serve up those initiatives. We deliver personalized customer experiences with Sitefinity, with content and experience performance tracking, analytics that are actionable, and with the ability to not just segment our audience, but discover who our audience actually is. And also being able to personalize out of the box based upon customized tags and taxonomy, because you need to be able to customize your personalization. You know your customer and you know your business, and you need to be able to have that flexibility. And then, of course, we give you the analytics and segmentation capabilities, all based on this cross-platform data, so that all of those touch points are not just served, but also are serving us with the insights that we need. With this, you can achieve operational efficiency, carrying your business forward, whether your deployment is in cloud or on-premise or some hybrid. And you can quickly build complex, high-performing experiences, seamlessly integrated from your development team and your marketing team. We remove those data silos in that way. And not just with APIs, but also with built-in connectors that allow us to quickly and easily connect to everything from content relation systems to commerce systems. We also offer capabilities and applications such as our Site Sync and the ability to automatically upgrade your Sitefinity framework with built-in security and monitoring tools. These have been built over the years as we've expanded and improved upon Progress Sitefinity to make your job easier and on a daily basis. Sitefinity use cases are also expanding. We're finding many opportunities for portals, intranets, and extranets, particularly as people are working more remote and more digitally. But also providing more tools for customer engagement initiatives, marketing campaigns, landing pages, all of those things that you need to be able to do to reach out to your customer on a daily basis. Always providing the headless and multi-channel content delivery that your customers expect and you need to be able to deliver. And with new partnerships, being able to serve commerce customers, regardless of whether that's a B2C or a B2B relationship. And I want to talk a little bit about Sitefinity Insight, which really, Progress Sitefinity Insight really allows us to have digital analysis of what's going on in real time, building purposeful digital experiences, letting you be able to strategically have key performance indicators drive your strategy, and also be able to streamline and optimize your strategy while driving those conversions and keeping an eye on your revenue, because we want to make sure that you're successful as we're successful. This really was just a very high level overview. I could go on for a much longer time. And if you have questions or there's anything in this presentation that you want to hear more about, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm JD Little, the CMS strategist for Progress Sitefinity, and my information is right here. Hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.